So we are evaluating expressions, and to get to evaluating expressions, you're going to click this button that has the Nearpod app. Once you're there, you're going to sign in. And we're going to hide a couple of things. Cool. Yep, continue. Great, and we're going to just really make this big. And then we're going to go over here and so we can get our dot camera going. Perfect. Great. So we're going to do this. We'll do this. Boom, boom. Dual screen. If I can get it to do that. All right, everybody. Here we are evaluating expressions. Remember, the difference in evaluating expressions is that when you evaluate, they've given you the answer. They've given you the answer. You just have to solve the rest of the equation. So you've got y divided by 2 plus x. And then x equals 1 and y equals 2. So all you're doing is you're like y, you put 2 in for y, and then divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's number 1. Let's go down to 9. Since we're going to be doing a lot of these. 9 is p to the third power plus 10 plus m. M equals 9, and then p equals 3. So we're going to plug in p equals 3, so 3 to the third power plus 10 plus 9. So the first thing that we need to do is parentheses or do the exponents, and it's 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, plus 10 plus 9. So this is going to be 37 plus 9, which equals 46. So that is your answer on this one. Oops, you didn't even get to see that. Step 1, I plugged in the 3, I multiplied it 3 times, then added 10, and then added 9, and we came up with 46. So let's do 14. And 14 is y plus x divided by 2 plus x. X equals 1, y equals 1. So for this one, it's going to be 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, oh my goodness gracious. I plugged in 1 for 1, added it up, divided by 2, and added 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus 1 equals 2. My goodness. So let's go to the next page. How do you get to the next page, you might ask? You click over. These go really fast just because we're just plugging in the numbers that they've given us. So let's look at 15. Let's make sure we can see what 15 is. So we've got 15, p minus 9 minus m plus q, parentheses, m equals 4, p equals 5, and q equals 3. So p, we're going to plug in, is 5 minus 9 minus m, which is 4, plus q, which is 3. And that's got that. So this becomes 7, right? Because that's how we do it. And then 5. We rewrite it each time, right? So we're going to distribute the 7 to get the negative. So now we have 9 minus 7. And then 5 on the outside. Then this becomes 2. And then 5. Distribute the negative. So you get 5 minus 2. And then that equals 3. So that's 15. Let's do 21. So you have 12k minus h squared. H equals 2. K equals 3. So 12 times 3 minus 2 squared. Okay, so, excuse me, negative 2 times 2, which is going to be negative 4. And then 12 times 3 is 36. 36 minus 4 is 32. Great, we're almost done. Let's do 25 together. We have y over 2 plus x plus 4 plus z plus y. X equals 7, y equals 2, and then z equals 4. So y over 2 is 2 plus x, which is 7, plus 4, plus z is 4, and then plus y is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus 7, plus 4, plus 4, plus 2. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, and then 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2. So these two, let's just move this over. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 8 equals 18. And that's your answer on this one. So great job. We did evaluating expressions, and good luck.